Good afternoon from Commercial Rare Coins and Precious Metals in semi-cloudy Lauderdale by the Sea. Still a beautiful day out. Traffic's still light. Haven't picked up to that pre-virus level traffic here in Lauderdale by the Sea. A little bit different report today. I'm going to go over a couple things with you here, and let me see if I can set this camera up properly and go over today's precious metals reports. Spot prices, looks like gold is staying in that range bound area right there, 1729. Since last Friday we've been talking about it, or last Thursday and Friday, 1725, 1730, 1720. I think we've seen the low of 1708 since last Thursday. The low today, 1714.97. The high, 1713.69. And again, range bound this week. Not quite sure why. However, it just is what it is, and we're in a cyclical, or we're not cyclical, but we're in a bull market right now, so I wouldn't worry about it. You're going to see that price pump up here. I believe 1750 is going to be our next level when things start to move again, and they will. Silver, same thing, exact same thing. Still range bound in that same 1750 area. Since last Thursday, I think it's been sitting in this range, give or take 25 cents, 50 cents either way. It's been sitting in this range. Again, same thing. I think it's just a matter of time before silver's going to take off. Platinum looks like it's doing the same, as is palladium. And again, here you can see those little ranges, 1736 and 1762. I keep getting that copy thing there in front of here. Sorry about that. Little graph that I like here. I've been looking at these graphs here online, and I noticed that a lot of them seeming to be off in a couple different ways. Is that first off, the graphs seem to be indicating gold was worth around $2,000 an ounce or so, and I couldn't quite figure out why until I finally found a graph that said this right here. Gold in 2018 U.S. dollar inflation adjusted by consumer price index. So when we've been looking at these charts online, I haven't seen this little disclaimer here, and I've been saying, well, why are they pricing gold so high, crazy high? I mean, look, they're showing 1980 gold at $2,200 an ounce when, I was actually around trading gold, and it was really technically 850, 900 was the high in 1980. But again, I did find out that these graphs, they do adjust them for inflation or dollar inflated dollars, or adjusted to dollars. So let's take a look at this chart again, and let's see what that's showing us. 1980, they're showing in dollar, let's see, U.S. adjusted dollars, what are they showing here? They're showing, again, looks like just a tad over $2,200. And then in 2012, our last high, they were showing a high of not quite what they were showing for the adjusted dollars in 1980. And I think we're going to blow right past this in 2018. Well, I'm not quite sure what the difference between $2018 and $2020. I'm sure it's different now. However, kind of interesting graph. And again, I did find out why these graphs all seem to indicate that gold prices seemed a lot higher than they were. To go over a couple other things. I don't seldom talk about the store here. We're in Lauderdale by the Sea, Florida. I think there's some good deals out there in some certain things. I've always believed that you had to separate collectibles from bullion, and it's really hard to combine the thing. But here's some examples of things that are kind of collectible, or always were meant to be collectible, but trade near their bullion values. For example, like this is the 1994 Olympic set, three-piece Olympic set. There's a silver dollar in there, right there, which is 0.77 ounces, the exact same as a Morgan silver dollar. So you got 3/4 of an ounce of silver. You have a $5 gold piece right there, which is almost a 1/4 ounce of gold, but not quite. And then you've got a $1/2, and a lot of the $1/2 in these sets are not. But some of these things can be bought really relatively not much over the price of gold. You can just buy the gold coin there, right there, for not much over the price of gold, and the same thing with the silver. So some of these modern commemoratives are pretty good deals right now, I believe. Along with, I'm noticing that like proof gold buffaloes and proof, some of that proof gold that got graded and other things have come down a lot in price. For example, I think if you go out and buy eagles right now, they can run you, or proof buffaloes are going to run you like over $100 over the price of gold. But you can buy these package deals right here for anywhere from 100 to 135 bucks over the price of gold, which is not bad because regular BU gold eagles and regular BU buffaloes would run you that price anyway. So why not get the cool packaging with it and the grading? Platinum's kind of becoming more available here. We're not seeing any gold platinum eagles here, and when I do hear about gold platinum eagles, they seem to be quite expensive. However, what we are picking up here is we got Philharmonics, the platinum Philharmonics, and they seem to be very reasonably priced compared to the eagles. I really wouldn't want to stock eagles. I just think they're too pricey, and only because they're scarce. And you don't want to buy scarcity when you're buying platinum and gold products. You want to buy platinum and gold for the cheapest premium that you can. And we've also got some of the British product coming in as well, but no American platinum eagles yet. Another thing, not another thing, but I was just talking about modern commemoratives that you can buy. Check this out. This is cool. This has got a Jackie Robinson $5 gold piece. This is made by the U.S. Mint, the same people that make gold eagles and buffaloes that make these products. It's a $5 Jackie Robinson gold piece. And you get the baseball card, the pen, and it's kind of a limited vintage thing, and you get that really cool box right there with it. The interesting thing is you can buy these things now for fairly close to the price of gold. So at this point, you know, if you can buy something cool like this and pay not much over the gold price, why the heck not? And just to go over a couple of the other standard products that we have, this is just a regular gold eagle. When we get these in, people actually went out and paid to have this graded. You see that plastic holder right there? Someone probably spent $20, $30, $40 to have that put in that holder. Really no need for it. When we buy them back just for their bullion value, which means just for the value of the gold coin there. So why pay that big premium for them? And then you know, when we get them from customers, we also sell them back to customers just for the price of the gold coin. So don't pay extra money for this grading. It's just really not necessary if you're buying bullion coins. Really, the only thing you need is a cheap plastic holder like that. So. Just kind of going over a few more products. Krugerrands seem to be the best deal right now on bullion products right here. Absolutely the best deal. They seem to come down another $10 per ounce. And let me just do a little bit of math here. Krugerrands are going to be 30 bucks cheaper per ounce than eagles right now. And if you're just buying gold, and you can save $30 per ounce, you know, what's wrong with buying a Krugerrand versus an eagle? Maples, again, a little bit cheaper, but I think they're 5 or 10 bucks higher than the Krugerrands. And some of the fractional stuff that's becoming more available, sovereigns are fairly cheap right now as far as fractional gold versus gold eagles, quarter ounce gold eagles, and some other products. So if you're interested in this stuff, give us a call. I'm here 10 to 4 Mondays through Fridays. My name is Brian Kuzmar, and this is Commercial Rare Coins and Precious Metals. And thanks for listening. We'll talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye.